Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 9 of the HCBS Final Rule, right to visitors. The requirement states that you can have visitors at any time. At any time. Let's drop in on Sunny Oaks and see how a PowerPoint presentation, a battery-operated candle, and Barry White gave Lorenzo a night he'd never forget.
Hey, Renzo. You look nervous. Job interview?
No, it's Naomi and my 5th year anniversary.
Oh, and you forgot.
Yep, I'm a dead man.
Don't you worry. I have the perfect PowerPoint for this situation.
You have a PowerPoint for pulling off a last-minute anniversary?
Buddy, I have a PowerPoint for everything. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Listen up. If you don't want your date to be angry, get mad.
Mad?
Yes, with 2 D's. M stands for music, A is for atmosphere, and D is for dinner.
What's the other D for?
Disaster?
No, dessert. Renzo, you're on music. I'll provide the atmosphere. Dexter, you have dinner.
This is acceptable.
Oh, I'll do dessert. Everybody loves ice cream.
Great. Everyone, meet in Lorenzo's room in 20 minutes.
That's a lot of candles. Can we even have open flames?
For love, sometimes you have to break the rules. Atmosphere.
Atmosphere is right. Whew, it's getting hot in here.
I got ice cream. I had ice cream.
Cup of ramen for 2. I didn't know which flavor you wanted, so I made them all.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Well, that's not good.
What happened in here? Anyone hurt?
No, but when Naomi gets here, I might need an ambulance.
Oh, it's my fault. We tried to help Renzo set up the perfect date.
Mistakes were made.
Okay, when's Naomi getting here?
I can ask her to come later. Will that be too late?
Of course not. You guys can have visitors at any time. This is your home. So, we'd better get started.
Lucas, check the breaker. The rest of you, let's clean up this mess. No open flames, but we do allow candles. Battery-operated ones.
Here, you can borrow my limited edition Lanterman record player. I only have one record. It's Barry White. What? I have layers?
It's anniversary time. Time to celebrate.
It's perfect, thank you.
I guess you're covered.
Oh no, I forgot dinner.
I've got that covered.
Hey, Naomi, how long have you been here?
Long enough to see you desperately trying to make our night perfect. Lucky for you, I brought takeout from Sushi Joe's.
I love you.
I know.
Okay, everyone out. Let's give them their privacy.
Exactly. HCBS Final Rule number 7. Right to privacy.
Here, my love, have a seat.
Don't mind if I do.
With some quick thinking and a 4-step PowerPoint plan, Lorenzo pulled off his dream date. You have the right to have visitors at any time. It's your home. Remember, your planning team strives to be person-centered in all they do. And that person in the center is you.